Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and you already know that I'm going with the help of this Be Inspired channel. I'm just creating all the educational videos based on the subject maths, and I just created some videos based on Vedic maths, and at the same time I created videos on crazy maths. Just you can make fun of maths, how to make fun. Also, I just done it with the help of some problems and with the help of some logics. So you can make fun of max with that. And not only that, I just created some Python programs also. I'm just uploading this, and NCERT textbook also I'm solving, and for 6th class that too I'm solving for 6th class students. So in that way I'm just using this channel Be Inspired, and along with that I'm just using this channel, and along with that I'm just using this for financial analysis also. You can think in this way: retirement portfolio financial analysis. For this week I'm just doing. So before getting into the every week I'm just explaining about how can you save money with the help of stock market or ETF or any other things like that. So based on this I'm just explaining, and how I am doing, I'm just revealing for you people how I am doing based on those things. So that is the reason I'm just in that way, because at least if some members try to do on their own, then it will be very helpful for them. So that is the reason I'm just saying this all. Okay, so before getting into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel. Now let's get into the topic. See, this is the retirement portfolio of the today's week of this weekend. And coming to here you are seeing two words, that is one is Kuvera and the other one is Upstocks. So what is Kuvera, you'll see now. See friends, Kuvera is an online platform for mutual funds investments in India, and it is operated by Arok Advisory Services Limited, a company which is headquartered in Bangalore. And Kuvera, it positions itself as a wealth management platform for individual investors and offers investment in direct mutual funds without any fees or commissions. So friends, this is about the mobile app, and do you know one thing? It is by using like if you go to the Play Store, if you just open it, you will get it. So you can even try in that way also. So one more application is this one, Upstocks. And this Upstocks is also known as RKSV, is known by the brand name Upstocks. It is an Indian financial services company. It is headquartered in Bombay, India, Bombay in India, and it is founded by the two brothers and one friend, that is Jagu Kumar, Ravi Kumar, and Srinivas Vishwanath. And it is also a famous online stockbroker, and you can just download this app in the Play Store also. And one more important news friends, that is Kuvera is along with the vested, it is just showing you it was just showing for everyone that Kuvera along with the vested, it was helping you to invest in US stocks. If you want to invest in US stocks, you can invest by using Kuvera app also. So that is very good future in Kuvera. Okay, so let's move on to our pie graph. What it is explaining to us, we'll see now. So this pie graph is explaining, okay, I think you all know that this is a pie graph or pie chart. So this pie graph is saying that amount since invested from breakdown by mobile app. Mobile app is nothing but this Kuvera and Upstocks, and I invested highest amount in Upstocks, that is 65.9%, and I invested least amount in Kuvera, that is 34.1%. That's what this pie graph is explaining to us. And here also, this is also a pie graph, and based on this two mobile apps only, I just purchased these things based on this two mobile apps only. And in Kuvera you can buy mutual funds, along with that you can buy even US stocks also. Not only mutual funds friends, you can buy even stocks also in Kuvera app. I just purchased only mutual funds in Kuvera, and this two stocks and ETFs I purchased by using the mobile app Upstocks. Okay friends, now we'll just see how this what this pie graph is explaining to you. So what this pie graph is explaining is about amounts since invested breakdown by mobile invested vehicle. Okay, if you want to see the full name, I'll show you. See friends, this is the full name. This is the title of the graph. Amount invested by amount since invested breakdown by invested vehicle. These three words are called combinedly called invested vehicle, friends. Okay. So coming to this, what this the highest amount I invested in 63.6%. That is I invested in ETF, and the second highest I invested in mutual funds, that is 33.2%, and the least amount I invested in stocks, that is 3.2%. That's what this pie chart is explaining to you all, friends. I hope you can understand. This is just about the investment, how I done with these two graphs are explaining just how I divided my amount and how in what way I just did it with the help of this. Okay, this one also I'll expand and you can see the heading of the title of the graphs. Okay friends, let me just do simple adjustments. Okay friends, now coming to this one, here you have a percentage of profit since invested breakdown by mobile app, and this bar graph is explaining about percentage of profit since invested breakdown by invested vehicle. Now we'll see what is this bar graph is explaining to you. So this is explaining about Kuvera and Upstocks, and among these two, which is a bigger one, friends? Yes, Upstocks. So I got highest profit in Upstocks, that is for 30.45%, and I got least profit in Kuvera, that is 29.25%. That's what these two bar graphs are explaining to you. And not only that, this bar graph is explaining only about the amount I invested. This is explaining about only the amount I invested, nothing more than that this bar graph is explaining. Okay, and coming to the second bar graph, and by seeing this you can easily understand that of course mutual funds is showing the highest profit, that is 29.25%, and second profit is shown in ETF, that is 25.74%, and the least profit I got in stocks, that is 22%. This all percentage profits is shown from my investment. So from when I invested, from that day to till date, it is going to calculate it, and it is going to shown with the help of bar graphs. Okay friends, so this is about invested vehicle percentage of profit. Now moving on to the next thing. Okay friends, that we'll see it down afterwards. Now what about this is nothing but it is also showing about percentage of profit only, but from the last week is nothing but October 3rd to October 10th, how the market has gone ups and downs, that all will be explained here. So I got I got highest profit in Upstocks, that is 5.38%, and I got least profit in Kuvera, that is 2.33%. But very good luck friends, there's just I got in profit. I'm in profit place itself. I didn't went to the loss. Now when you come to this bar graph, and here you see here a red color one. Yes or no? Okay, so what this red color is showing is loss. It is showing a loss of 22%, 0.22% loss I got in stocks. So this bar graph is explaining about percentage of profit from the last week to this week based on the invested vehicle. Okay, so my invested vehicles, I think you all know here: ETF, stocks and mutual funds. ETF, stocks and mutual funds. So when compared to last week to this week, I got highest profit in ETF, that is 5.67%, and least profit I got in mutual funds, that is 2.33%. But whereas I got loss in stocks, that is 0.22%. Now we will see these two friends. We'll just try to compare these two graphs, pie chart, and this pie chart is amount I invested. Okay friends, let me just reduce the size, then we can see both at a time. Okay friends, so this pie chart is explaining about the amount I invested, and this bar graph is explaining about the percentage of profit I got from my investment time onwards to till now. So this chart is explaining that, okay, this when you are going to compare this pie graph and bar graph, what these two are explaining here, The highest you invested in Upstocks, the highest you got the highest profit. The highest you invested and you got highest profit, that is 30.45%. And the second highest you invested in Kuvera and you got second highest profit, that is 29.25%. Now we'll come to this, friends. Let me just reduce the size, then you can see it very clearly, both the graphs. Okay friends, now both are ready to us. So this pie chart is saying about the amount I invested from, and this bar graph is explaining that percentage of profit I got from my investment. Now when you compare this, the highest amount I invested in ETF, there you got second highest profit, that is 25.74%. And the highest amount I invested in mutual funds, then you got the highest profit, sorry, second highest amount you invested in mutual funds, but here you got highest profit, that is 29.25%. Least you invested in stocks and it is showing least profit only, that is 22%. Okay. Now when coming to this two graphs, when compared to last week too, since I invested, so when compared to last week to this week, I got very good profit in Upstocks, that is 5.38%. But do you know friends, there is a magic here. In Upstocks only my invested vehicle ETF, along with that stocks are there. But whereas I got stocks in loss, but still it is showing profit because my ETF is increased a lot, that is 5.67%. Now we'll see friends which stock is showing, which stock got very loss, which stock got loss. So these are the three stocks, Reliance, ITC and Asian Paints. When you compare this, what will happen? So when you compare this, ITC and Asian Paints both are in loss. How much loss you are? You are gaining 1.76% in ITC and 7.85%. Oh my god, 7.85% loss is there in Asian Paints. Overall 0.22% loss you got in stocks. So this loss is maximum covered by Reliance here friends. If you observe here properly, I got a profit of 711 rupees in Reliance, and whereas I got a profit of 579 rupees from last week to this week, and that is covered major part of the Asian Paints loss also. This is what happened in the last week to this week friends. I hope you all can understand whatever I explained till now. So please go through the procedures and just try to invest your own, or you can go through with the help of others. Instead of taking others also, we can invest our own. So that is the reason there are so many apps are there, like Grow app is there, Kuvera is there, Upstocks is there, Zerodha is there, and so many stock brokers are there. No need of going for any brokers and no need of asking any other person's help. But just very important thing is we have to follow the news carefully, and we have to develop the knowledge of how the stock market is going on day by day, and which stock we can select and how to select. Those things should be learned very clearly, and it should be in a particular precise manner. You should, in a concise manner you should, then only you can invest in. Otherwise what will happen, simply just investing money is not going to give you this many profits and this many loss. So before you're going to start investing, just try to know the previous history of that particular company, in which company you are going to invest. That is a very important thing you have to learn. So I hope you all understand my video, and by this it may be going to help for any persons who are trying to invest, because in this corona days the newspapers also saying that so many members are showing, youth is showing more interest in stock market, and the shares also has increased a lot in these days in this pandemic situation also. So because of that reason this video may helpful for those members who is trying to invest. So that's it friends, and thanks for the cooperation. And friends, please give me a comment and thumbs up in the comment section. I just need your comments, whether it is whether my video is good, or I have to still improve, or it is nice, or you are able to understand whatever I'm saying. I just want in that way. Thank you for your support.